Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the taskbar is not showing on your system, then watch this video to recover it. The first thing we need to do is to restart Windows Explorer so we can see the taskbar there. Just press the Control, Shift and Escape keys together. Hold them down together and we'll look for Windows Explorer. When we get it, we will click on Restart Task and the taskbar should start showing. If it doesn't, then we will have to reset all the Windows apps. So press the Control or press the Windows and the R key together and enter the line PowerShell. Now you need to open it in the administrator mode. So we'll directly not click enter. We will press the control and the shift keys together while pressing enter. And this will open in the administrator mode. Then we will copy this command. You will find it in the description of this video. And we will paste it here. And then press enter. I will not press enter because this reset of the apps takes a long time and I'll keep this video short for your convenience. Now once we do that, we need to uninstall the security update. So most of these errors of taskbar not showing is because of the corrupted Windows security update. So click the Windows and the I key together and you'll look for Windows update, update history, and then click on uninstall updates. And here look for the security update, click on uninstall, uninstall again, and then we'll run an SFC scan. So since taskbar is not working, we will press the control shift or we'll press the Windows and the R key together to bring up the run dialog. Look for CMD, enter the line CMD. Now we want to open command prompt in the administrator mode. So hold down the control and shift key while pressing enter and it will open it in the elevated mode. Enter the command sfc space /scannow and press enter. Wait for the scan to run. And now we will do a system restore. If none of these options work, then system restore should get the taskbar back again. So we will press the Windows and the R key together to bring up the run dialog and we will enter the line RSTRUI, which will bring up system restore. Then you can look for recommended restore, click on next and then click on finish. This will restore your system, restart the computer, and it will restore your system to previous date and time where you could see the taskbar. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.